Sparkles, and today I am attempting to do my makeup outside and it's gonna be lavender color. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So first off, we're gonna use the Maybelline New York Fit Me powder. And normally I only use the powder, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this. Can you see this? Pretty. Oh, I don't know how to all set. I don't know how to pronounce that, but anyway, I am going to go in with this color right here, and then I'm just gonna put it under my eyes, kind of like. Y'all bear with me. I do not know what I'm doing. Okay, and now I'm gonna take some more, and then I'm gonna go under my eyebrows. Okay. Yeah, that looks okay. And then next, we are going to do my eyebrows. So for that, I don't really do too much to them. I just take a dark color, like somewhat close to black, like this right here. And then I'm just gonna do like this. There we go. And then I am going to take a lighter color. So like maybe a white, and then I'm just going to put that on my eyes. So like this. This is harder than I thought it would be. But I'm trying. And then I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And then I'm just gonna like overlap it. And then I'm gonna take a darker color, which would be this one right here. They don't really have names or whatnot, so I'm just kind of doing what feels best. Also, I'm not really a professional, but I love makeup, so I was just like, why not? You know what I'm saying? I hope this looks good on camera. But yeah, I encourage all of you to just post something on YouTube, if that's what you want to do. Even if you don't have any ideas, just get the first step out of the way, because that's the hardest one. Okay, and how does that look? I think I'm gonna, yeah. Okay. The cars keep driving by. Alright. And now I'm gonna take a white and mix it with a purple. And then I'm just gonna take it up, like up a notch. And then do the same. I'm gonna blend this out, so don't worry. And then, yeah, take it up a notch. Okay, and then blend that. So you can just go in with like any brush you want. Okay, now that I've somewhat blended it out, I am going to take a darker purple and then mix it with a black. So I'm taking this color and then this color, and then I'm just going to apply this right here. And then I'm going to do that underneath my eyes. Or at least attempt to do it underneath my eyes. Alright. There we go. And then I am, hold on one second. Okay, now I'm back and I'm just gonna add pure black to like, whoa, I just saw a big bird just, okay. And then I'm just gonna just do a black right here to kind of emulate or imitate like eyeliner. Since I don't really like putting eyeliner on, I don't like the liquidy stuff, and I don't like the pencil, so I just use the powder. Maybe someday in the future I will like it though, but for now I'm just doing this. Okay, now before I put the mascara on, I am going to go in with this, the glitter cream, something like that. And I'm going to go in with that and then put some glitter on my lower lid because I like the way that looks. Okay, I'm going to take this brush and then I am going to try to apply it. Alright, hold on, let me scoot closer so y'all can see. I'm going to take this and then apply it. Okay. Whoa. If anybody's watching, comment down below. Should I do ASMR? Oh my god. La 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 la. La la. Is that on there? I can't really see in the camera. No, I'm just gonna apply more. But yeah, y'all, I'm just recording on my phone, so it kind of makes it harder to. I want to record on my camera, but I haven't really figured out how to work that yet. There we go. Okay. And now I am going to put this on. Ooh, hold on, wait. Okay, so it's Wet n Wild Mega Protection Waterproof Mascara. And this is what it looks like. Y'all, I love this mascara. And it wasn't that much either. It was like $3. It doesn't make my lashes look too long, but it still like shows up. There we go. And what's that noise? It's a truck. And I'm gonna see if I can find something to do my lips, because I cannot leave without doing my lips. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I found it. So it's called the Cocoa Butter Lip Gloss. Oh, from the Magic Collection. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. I love this, y'all. It's like thick and it lasts long. There we go. There's a plane flying above. Alright. And now we are finished. So, if anybody's watching, let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah. If you're wondering what I'm looking up at, it's just like, hold on, wait. I'm just looking up at the birds and just the nature and things. So yeah. Y'all have a good day and stay positive. Goodbye.